So today I want to tell you one story. So when I heard this story, I was really astonished. There was a man named Lawrence Anthony, and this man, he had a great compassion for animals, especially for elephants. So throughout his life, he served lots of elephants. He rescued lots of elephants from different captivity, rehabilitated them into different zoos, and took care with great compassion. When this person died in 2012, something shocking happened which nobody could explain. A herd of 31 elephants, just after 2 days of his death, walked into his house from miles from different places and sat in his garden for 2 days without eating anything, without drinking anything, and shedding their tears. After 2 days, these elephants got up and walked away silently. Interestingly, these 31 elephants were the elephants who remained in his house, that is almost 3 years back, for few years. And for 3 years, they had no contact with this person. And they were not communicated in any way. And in fact, there were no means to communicate that this person has died. But somehow, the love and care these elephants got few years before was something so special that these elephants, exactly at the time of his death, they came and they announced that how grateful we are. Can you imagine how grateful these elephants are? Great souls gratefully remembers hand of great souls in their life. A heart full of gratitude is a golden heart. So, never become too busy when it's time to appreciate others. So, when we cultivate gratitude, there are 5 gifts of gratitude: humility, simplicity, respect to others, service attitude, and forgiveness. So, when we cultivate gratitude, these 5 qualities will gradually manifest in us. So, always remember, it's not happy people who are grateful. It's grateful people who are happy. Thank you very much.